Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Face Closet. If you're joining for the first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here I teach on fashion tutorials and DIY content. So this is a tutorial on how to make a cap sleeve. Here I have my pattern paper already and I'm just trying to take out the measurements from my armhole that I've already sewn. I've already made my dress, so I'm just trying to measure my round hole measurements and get the actual measurements, then divide it by 2. After divided by 2, I'll just fold my paper as you see me do, and then I'll take my measurements. So to begin with, I'll just take my actual measurements. I measured 18 on my armhole for the dress I already sewn. So here I just divided by 2 and then mark it out to fold my paper. So as you see me do, I'll just draft out a basic hand measurement. This is just a basic, it's very simple to draft. If you watch properly, you will get it. So I just draft it out and then I cut. This is just a simple pattern on how to cut your sleeve. So after drafting this pattern out, what I'll do here is I'll take my measurements from this armhole. As you see me do, from that place I'll just take 1 inch and then rule a straight line to meet the center point, just as you see me do. So next I'll go up by 1 inch, just as you see me do. So after marking out that point, I'll just use my freehand method to trace it out as you see me do. It's very simple, just follow this easy method and you will get it. So what I'm doing here is just trying to adjust to get a perfect cap sleeve, so you can just take your time to do that as well. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead to cut. So then after cutting, this is what I have. I'll just open it up and then draft out my slash and spread method. Here I'm just trying to make a line round it as you see me do. You can just use your tape to measure it, but I did not measure. This is probably just 1.5 inch. You can use 1 inch, you can use 2 inches, just as you please. So for here I just draft out 1 inch and then I'm just using it to mark it round. And then after marking, I'll just go ahead to cut. Make sure as you're cutting, you try not to get to the end point. When you get close to the end point, you just stop there, just as you see me do. It's very easy to get, so just follow up. So after cutting it out, this is what I have. What I'll do now is just to place my pattern on my fabric that I'm using to cut the sleeve, just as you see me do. Just place it and use your tape to tape it to the cloth in order for it not to move while cutting. So here what I'll do is I'll just go up by 2 inch from the middle point and then just trace it out, just as you see me do. Just mark it out like this. Just trace out to that point where you measure 2 inch upward and then to the other end point, just as you see me do. So also on this part where I'm marking, I just came down by 1/2 inch for my sewing allowance. Came down by 1/2 inch and then I'll just go ahead to cut. So after cutting, what I did is just to remove my pattern paper and place this particular fabric on another fabric to cut the other part. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to see how much I can manage my material. So I'll just place it on top like this and then I'll cut another piece of my sleeve. So after doing that, you can just actually add gum stain to the fabric in order to make it stand. Because this is a tutorial, I just had to cut my lining and then just sew it round like that. Just sew it round as you see me do and then go ahead to open it up. So when you open it up, this is what you have. So do make sure you iron it properly in order for it to make it stand as you see. Just take your time to iron it and then turn it open and you will just have this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate, guys. So guys, I'll see you on my next video.